8th class student, exercise 13A, time and work. Next question is it A and B can finish a piece of work. So you write the taken time by A to finish the work. Is equal to A can do 16 days. Work done by A in 1 hour, 1 day. One day work is equal to 1/16. Taking time by B in to finish the work. B can do the work is equal to in 12 days. We find the work done by B in 1 day. 1 day work is equal to 1/12. A start the work and work at 2 days. Work done by A in 2 days. Work is equal to 2 into 1 day work, 1/16. 2 8 ja 1/8. Work done by A. Remain work is equal to 1 minus 8. Take the LCM. LCM is 8. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7/8 work. Remain work. Work done by this work done by A and B. After 2 days, B is joined. Rest, remain work, can do A and B join. How many days work A plus B in 1 day work? Is equal to 1/16 plus 1/12. LCM is 48. 3 ja and 4 ja 7/48 work. by A and B. Now seven upon 8 work done by A and B in one day. What is the rest or remain work? Remain work is 7 upon 8. 7 upon 14 work 7 upon 14 work by A and B. Rest work is 7 upon 8 done by AB is equal to 7 upon 8. 7 upon 14 will be divided. 7 upon 48. 7 upon 8. Divide, change into, multiply. 48 upon 7. 7 divided by 7 at 8 6 6 days. 7 upon 8 work done by A and B is 6 days. Total work is equal to 2 days by A and 6 days by A and B. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 days. Work complete by both 2 and 6 days. Total is used 8 days. Question number 8 is complete. Question number 9. 9 is A can do the take-in time by A to finish the work. To finish the work, A can do the 14 days. Work done by A in 1 day. 1 day work will be 1 upon 14. As taken time by B to the finish the work. Is equal to B can do is 21 days. Work done by B in 1 day. 1 day work will be 1 upon 21. work done by A and B in one day. Work is equal to 1/14 plus 1/21. Can do plus 1/14, 1 day work and 1 day work. LCM is 42, 14 and 21. Divide by 42 is 3, 21 divided to 5/42. Can do the work in one day. Join A and B. They began together work at the 6 days. Work done by A and B in 6 days. Find the 6 days, multiply by 5/6 into 5/42. 6 7 ja 5/7 work has been completed. Remain work 1 minus 5/7. Write the upon 1 to take the LCM. After simplify 2/7 work is remain. 2/7 A fell ill, B had the complete the remain work. Now 1/B work is 1 day is 1/21 work done by B work is equal to 1 day. Remain work is 5/7 1/21. 5/7 can do the work of by B. 5/7 divide by 1/21. 5 7/1/21 will be divided. Divide change into the multiply. 5/7 multiply will be reciprocal of the 1/21. 7 3 ja remain work is 2/7. 2/7 2 3 ja 6. Remain work done by B in 6 days. Total work 6 days is A and B. 6 days is by B. Total work is 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 days. Work is complete in 12 days. Question number 9 is complete. Question 10. 10 question is Question 10 is A can do 2 upon 3 of in 6 days. In 16 days, by A finish the work is equal to 2 upon 3. We find the 1 day work by A is equal to 16. 2 upon 3 divide by 16, write the upon 1, 2 upon 3 into 1 upon 16, divide, change the multiply, 2 8 जा 1 1 जा 1, 3 8 जा 24, 1 day work by A is 1 upon 24. As in 3 day by B finish the work is equal to 1 upon 4 part. 1 day work will be 1 upon 4 divide by 3, write the upon, change the multiply, 1 upon 3 after multiply 1 upon 12. 1 day work of B is equal to 1 upon 12. 1 day work of A is equal to 1 upon 24. Work done by A and B in 1 day work. 1 upon 24 plus 1 upon 12. Take the LCM is 24. 1 plus 2 plus 3 upon 24. 1 upon 8. Time taken by A and B to finish the work in 8 days. both work done together. Both complete the work in 8 days. Thank you.